So now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 4.21, and in this question it is given to you a particle starts from the origin at time t equal to 0 with a velocity of 10 meter per second but in a y direction, and it move in an xy plane with a constant acceleration of 8 I k plus 2 j k meter per second square. Clear? So let us try to analyze this given situation. Now let's suppose if I draw here, let's suppose this is x axis and let's suppose this is y axis. Clear? And it is given a particle start from origin at t equal to 0, okay, and initial velocity is given to you 10.0 j k meter per second. Clear? The particle is moving in an xy plane with a constant acceleration. So we can say constant acceleration means this acceleration is given by 8.0 I k plus 2.0 j k, and this is meter per second square. Clear? Now our objective in this question is to calculate at what time is the x coordinate of a particle is 16 meter. Clear? Now listen carefully. Now let's suppose if I write value of position of a particle after time t. Clear? You can see acceleration is constant. Acceleration is not varying with time. So I can apply here s equal to ut plus half of at square. Clear? So I can write like this. This is ut plus half of acceleration is a and this is t square. Clear? So position vector, this is given by value of u. We have 10.0 j k and this is time t plus 1 by 2 acceleration is given 8.0 I k plus 2.0 j k and multiplied with t square. Clear to you? So we can write like this, r vector, this is given by 10.0 t j k plus we can write like this 4.0 I k plus 1.0 j k and multiplied with t square. Clear? So actually we can write position vector in terms of I k and j k. Clear? So I am writing here r vector. First I am writing here values of I k. I k here we have this one. So 4.0 and t square and this is I k. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now if we talk about j k, this is j k, this one is also j k. I can take j k common. Here we can say this is 10.0 t plus here we have only t square. Yes or no? This is 10.0 t and this is t square and we can say this is j k. Clear? So this is value of position of a particle after time t. Clear? Now I can write like this. Yes, I can write like this because this value is a position vector. So we can write in terms of x coordinate and y coordinate. So we can write like this, x I k plus y j k, this should be equal to 4.0 t square I k plus we can say 10.0 t plus t square and this is j k. Clear? Now you can say we can compare x I cap and I cap both side and j cap and j cap both side. So we can write like this, x should be equal to 4.0 t square. Let's suppose this is equation number 1, and we can talk about y. We can say 10.0 t plus this is t square and we can say that's all. Clear? Now our objective first in this question is to calculate at what time x coordinate of particle is 16 meter. So we can say, we can write here 16 is equal to 4 times of t square. Clear? So value of t we are getting here, this is 4, so value of t we have 2 seconds. Clear? So answer of part number A, this is t equal to 2 seconds. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now if we talk about what is y coordinate of particle at that time, so now we can put value of t in y coordinate. Clear? In y. So we can write like this, y this should be equal to 10 multiply value of t we have 2. So this is 2 plus this is 2 square. Clear? So we can write like this, this is 20 plus 4 and this is 24 meter. So this is the answer of part number B. Clear? Now the next objective is here, what is speed of a particle at that time. Clear? So now we are going to discuss how can we find first speed by using position coordinate. Clear? So now you can say value of r, this is given to you, I am writing here r value, this is equal to 4t square I cap plus, we can say this is 10t plus t square and multiplied with j cap. Can we find value of speed? Yes, we can write like this, v vector, this should be equal to dr by dt. So we can differentiate this position vector with respect to time. So how can we write? This is equal to 8t I cap plus, we can say this is 10 plus 2t and this one is j cap. Clear? Now if we talk about time, t equal to 2 seconds. So we can say this is equal to 16 I cap plus 10 plus, we can say 4 j cap. Clear? From here you can say this is 16 I cap plus 14 j cap. Clear? And this is value of velocity vector v. Clear to you? Now if I ask to you what is velocity, or we can say actually what is speed. Speed is actually magnitude of velocity. So we can say magnitude of v, this is given by under root of, this is 16 square plus 14 square. So 16 square plus 14 square. 16 square we have this is 256 and 14 square we have 196. Clear? So we can write like this. Actually we can say this is what 250, this is 200. So 250 plus 200, 450. 450 here we are subtracting 6. Clear? And here we are subtracting 4. Clear? इसका मतलब यहाँ पे 6 ज़्यादा है और यहाँ पे 4 कम है, तो ओवरऑल 2 ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. तो एक्चुअली अगर हम देखें 450 है तो ये कितना होना चाहिए, अंडर रूट ऑफ 452. Clear to everyone? So this is the answer of this question. So well, speed of a particle at that time, this is given by under root of 452 and we can say this is in meter per second. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.